Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to put your iPad on Do Not Disturb. I'm going to show you the quick and easy way. So on the home screen of your iPad, so go ahead and put your finger on the top right corner of your screen and swipe down. There we go. So here is where you can quickly turn your iPad on Do Not Disturb. Now you'll notice mine is already on Do Not Disturb, and I know that because my Do Not Disturb button right here has a moon on it and it's white. That tells me that I am on Do Not Disturb, so I will not get notifications or messages or sounds coming through from my email applications, or rather any application. Now, so if you want to turn it on or off, you simply click on that Do Not Disturb. Now there's a lot of different personalized options here. You'll see Do Not Disturb, work setting, sleep setting, and personal. So you can choose what works for you. The general Do Not Disturb will turn off everything. And if your iPad is connected to other devices such as a MacBook or an iPhone, if it's logged into the same Apple ID, that Do Not Disturb will go to all of your devices. So when I just turned this Do Not Disturb on my iPad, it also notified me on my iPhone that it was now on Do Not Disturb, and there was a little notification on the top of my screen. So that's how you simply put your iPad on Do Not Disturb, so you silence all notifications. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please go ahead and like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all of our daily tech tips. See you in the next video.